Welcome to my channel. Today's menu, one pot chicken curry. Let's start. All tomatoes and onions grind together, fry till oil comes out. Add chicken small chunks. Fry till color changes. 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste. Chicken masala, coriander powder, Maggi cubes, turmeric, salt. Cooked for 20 minutes. Add shimla mirch, it's optional. Some kalonji black seasoned. It's good for immune systems. Steamer. Garnish green chili and garam masala powder. Steamer for 10 minutes. Mashallah. Hope you friends loved it. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.